Yes.
Ma'am,
Yeah, dear.
Arjun has switched off his video and has muted himself.
They be back because just now they have joined. They will come back. Okay. Yeah.
Ma'am, we have tomorrow is the class.
Tomorrow there's no class, dear.
Saturday, Sunday, no classes.
No class. Okay. Yeah. So quickly move
Just taking
on.
the books and everything. So
Yeah.
I just turn off.
All of you ready? See, already two.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
All of you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Right hand onto your chest. That's near your heart. Okay. So repeat after me. Then all of us can say together one day. Okay. Dhyan, Arjun, are you there? They, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
They is
Yes,
there.
ma'am.
Okay, fine. We begin. Please repeat. You can stand. We the people of India,
We the people of India,
having solemnly resolved
resolved
to constitute India
to constitute India
into
Into
a sovereign, socialist, secular,
a sovereign, socialist, secular,
democratic
democratic
republic,
republic,
and to secure
to
to all its citizens
all its citizens
justice,
justice,
social,
social,
economic,
economic,
and political
and political
liberty,
liberty, thought,
expression,
expression,
belief,
belief,
faith and worship,
faith and worship,
equality
equality
of of status and opportunity,
and opportunity,
and to promote
and to promote
among them all
among them all
fraternity,
fraternity,
assuring
assuring
the dignity
the dignity
of the individual
of the individual
and the unity
and the unity
and integrity of the nation.
and integrity of the nation.
In our Constituent Assembly,
In our Constituent Assembly,
26th day of November,
this 26th day of November,
1949,
1949,
do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution.
hereby adopt.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
See, children, first and foremost, you know what? We live in a very beautiful country, okay? And first and foremost, we need to, Dhyan, this is for you, this is for you. Because I observed both of you, while the Constitution is being read, we should have the full respect. A small example I will give you. In those days, whenever national anthem was played anywhere, people used to stop wherever they are, even in the middle of the road. The vehicles used to stop. The people used to stop. Only after the national anthem was over, they used to move. That shows the respect for our country. Because our country is our motherland. See, so much our country is giving us. Without our country, we wouldn't even be sitting in front of these systems now. So much of liberty we have. So Dhyan, once I tell you the pledge or the constitution or the national anthem, your right hand onto your chest, near your heart, sit erect, no fiddling with your headphones, no moving about, straight, erect, eyes on the screen. I'm very particular about this. Jay and Dhyan, very clear with that?
Yes, ma'am.
Respect for our country. Swasti, Mehran and Arjun, good children. Today I was really inspired by the way you showed respect for our country. Thank you. Okay, so it's about the constitution, and you know it was B.R. Ambedkar who was there, and he's called as Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Somebody's Raj loving here. Okay, I think there's one more child who's joining us. Let's see who it is.
Ma'am,
Yeah, dear.
he is my friend.
Oh,
He's my friend. He joined tomorrow only. Yesterday. Yesterday only.
Yesterday. Okay. Fine. Yeah. Okay. Hi, Vraj. So, can we quickly get to know about Vraj? 1 minute, Swasti. We'll get to know about Vraj and we'll come back. Okay. Yeah, Vraj. Hi. I'm Shobna ma'am here, taking English language and literature for all of you. Can you quickly introduce yourself? Vraj, where are you from? And what is your favorite hobby? Yeah, Vraj. Hi. Hi.
Hi, ma'am. Hi,
Say hi,
ma'am.
children. Say hi. Hi, Vraj.
Hello, Vraj.
Hi, Viraj.
Ma'am, I'm from Ahmedabad and my hobby is to be an engineer.
Oh, super. Okay. So we'll get to know more about Vraj. So Vraj, before even moving to our main session, go get your notebook, a pen and a dictionary if you have. Okay. If you don't have, in the next session, you bring your dictionary, but any notebook will be sufficient exclusively for English. Okay. Yeah. You go get yours. Meanwhile, I'll ask what Swasti wants to clarify. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Swasti.
What is the meaning of fraternity?
Fraternity is you always know about your country and you would want to respect about your country, isn't it? So that is
Okay.
nothing but fraternity. That is my people around me. Yeah. So this is my fraternity, my people around me. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Quickly we'll go to our literature. Meanwhile, Vraj will also join us. What is it you can see on this picture?
A horse.
Horse.
The horse's mouth.
So blunt, a horse. How do we say? What do you see in front of you?
Um,
I see a screen.
Some adjective to add on to the horse. Yeah, De.
Jumping.
De goes first. De goes first. Describe the horse.
Black horse.
The black horse. Super, De. Okay, Dhyan.
Jump. No. Like powerful. Powerful. No. Fast horse.
What is it?
Strong. Fast horse.
Fat horse. Okay, a fat horse. Okay. Swasti.
a beautiful horse.
A beautiful
black
horse.
horse.
Yeah, a beautiful black horse. Super.
The horse
Okay,
is
Meron.
nice.
Meron. Yeah, Meron.
Horse with a very bushy tail.
Horse. I would want you to only describe about the horse. So the horse with the bushy tail, fine. So before the horse, can you add some adjective or describing word?
Just horse.
Yeah?
Just horse.
I didn't get you, Meron. Sorry, can you repeat it?
Ma'am, he's saying this horse.
This horse, okay. Can you just describe this horse, Meron? I'll come back to you. Yeah, Arjun, yourself.
Ma'am, this horse has a very bushy tail.
Bushy tail, that's what Meron told. Okay, can I
Okay.
say something which is there in my mind? A vibrant horse. See how vibrantly it's trying to jump. So a vibrant horse, a strong horse, yes, an enthusiastic horse. So something like that. Meron, now it's your turn. I think by now you would have got it. Yeah, Meron. Meron?
I have to focus more on the horse.
Okay.
Around.
Okay. Vraj, are you back, Vraj? Okay, what would Vraj like to say?
Ma'am, about this horse?
Yeah, some adjective like a sad horse, a vibrant horse, an enthusiastic horse, a strong horse. What would you like?
Black horse.
A black horse. Okay, fine. So today session we have.
Ma'am,
Yeah, dear.
ma'am, Raj didn't tell.
That's okay. We'll
Anything.
come back. We'll come back. We'll come back. Everybody gets a chance. Okay. Yeah. Now this is about a novel being written by Anna Swell. Okay. A beautiful novel about Anna Swell, and this is called as Black Beauty. I would want you to write it down. Black Beauty by Anna Swell.
Yes.
Write it down quickly. Quickly. The spelling is there on the slide. Quickly. I would like all of you to write it down. So yeah, Swasti.
I have read this book twice.
Good. Okay.
Yes.
Still listen to us. Okay. Then anything to add on at the end of the session, you can add on.
Okay, ma'am.
This is the
I
second
can't
chapter.
see the presentation.
Can you see it now, dear?
It looks nice. That horse is beautiful, actually. Black
You can't
Beauty.
see?
No.
What about the others?
You
It's
can
very
see.
clear to me, ma'am.
Yeah. What about Dhyan, Dev, Vraj, Mehran?
We can see. Yes,
Yeah. Okay. Then in that case, I think you should check your video, Arjun. Once if you can log out, then come in.
Like it is showing. Just a second, ma'am. It is showing something.
Arjun, what I would recommend to you is, okay, I'll move on to the next slide. Then you
It
tell me.
is showing that you have started screen sharing, but I am not able to see.
Okay. Then you need to log out and log in. Okay. Yeah, log out and log in. I will admit you. Okay. Children, the others, meanwhile, what do you see? How do you feel about this? And the turn, because today he has joined. Okay, Mehran, fine. He has raised his hand. Okay, Braj. We'll give chance to Braj because we don't know much about Braj, isn't it? So, Braj, what do you see in these pictures? How do you feel about it? So, what do you see first? How do you feel about it? There are two things you'll have to share now. What do you see?
I saw person is hitting horse,
Yeah.
With the whip.
and I felt bad about it.
Okay. So both the tenses are in the past, but you're seeing it now. So how do you have to see? I see a man whipping a horse, whipping or beating a horse. The other one is a horse is tied to a pole, and I feel sad about it and I feel bad about it. So it's the present. So you shouldn't say felt. You should be saying feel. Okay, Vraj? Is that clear? Okay, can we repeat saying that, Vraj? 1 minute, Swasti. Yeah. I can see
I can see
a man
beating horse
beat
and
a horse. Beating a horse, okay. Or
and the
whipping a
horse-
horse. Whipping a horse, whipping. Whip. That's called as a whip. Something is there in his hand, isn't it? So that's called as a
whipping.
whip. That thing is called as a whip. Yeah. So whipping a horse. Tell me.
I feel bad about it.
Okay, fine. Super. Very good. Can we clap for somebody who does it well? Yeah. Yeah, Swasti, you wanted to say something, and next I'll come to Mehran. Mehran, your hand should not be here.
It's very clear that this horse is very exhausted.
Very clear that the horse.
But this boy, this cruel boy,
Yes.
is whipping him mercilessly,
Seriously.
imagining him to be a steam engine.
Very good. Yeah. That's
The second picture is that of a horse with a halter on it.
Yeah.
It does seem bad.
Yes.
It does seem sad about it.
How
Plus,
did-
they've left the saddle on,
Yes. Exactly.
and I imagine it hurts because if you tie a plank of wood to your back, it'll be difficult for you. Same way it's hard on the horse.
Yes. Very true. Very good. Swasti. That was super. Okay, Mehran. Yeah, Arjun is joining us. Yeah.
I see a young boy whipping a horse.
Yeah.
I feel angry that someone hasn't passed a law that animals shouldn't be treated brutally.
Yes. Okay.
Third, I see a horse tied up to a pole and the horse seems really sad and exhausted.
Now I can see the presentation, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, good, Arjun. Good. Arjun, can you share some ideas about what do you see? How do you feel about this?
Ma'am, the boy is beating the horse and the poor horse.
Stand straight. Yeah.
Ma'am, the boy is beating the horse, but the poor horse is getting beaten by the boy. But what did the horse do?
What did the horse do? It is helpless, isn't it?
Nothing. The horse didn't do nothing to the boy. So why is the boy beating the horse? So that is not fair.
Yes,
So
not
we
fair.
should like
Ma'am.
we should get a feeling for animals too.
Yes, exactly. We need to know that even animals have feelings. Yeah. Okay, Dhyan.
Yes, ma'am. When the horse is tied up with an rope. No.
The second picture. Okay. The horse is tied to the rope. Okay. Yeah. So how does it feel like? Imagine that you are in that place. How would you feel like being tied up?
Not so good.
Not so good. Yeah, that's really sad. Exactly. Yes. What is your first opinion about the first picture? First opinion. Looking at the picture, the moment I saw that picture, I was like disheartened. Oh my God, kind of. I felt so. So, what was your expression?
Ma'am, in first picture, the horse eyes is like cross.
Yeah. Okay. It's like crosses because it's closing his eyes out of pain. You got it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Fine. Yeah. Now coming to the next one. Yeah, Swasti.
Ma'am, actually Arjun asked why is the boy beating the horse?
There must be various other reasons. So should we go into those kind of reasons exactly?
I know one
There are
reason.
there are various other reasons. Let's not look into that. See, sometimes horses become so rigid that after they get exhausted, they wouldn't even want to move ahead. So sometimes, these masters really get annoyed with them and they start whipping them very badly. So those kind of situations
Ma'am,
we look into.
I honestly do not think that this horse was very rigid.
No,
I feel that this horse wasn't going as fast as the master wanted it.
Sometimes when they are exhausted, they wouldn't even want to move even a bit forward, isn't it? So that's called as rigidity because of getting exhausted. It's not that deliberately it's doing it, but out of that kind of
Exhaust.
pain and a feeling. Yes. Okay. Now everybody, look here. Do you think that this is an appropriate way to treat animals? Yes or no? A chorus answer?
No.
No. Okay. 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 Have you seen any similar situations in and around? Have you ever seen similar situations?
No, and I wish I never will.
Okay, in your age or younger than you, all of you are in class 6, isn't it? When I was in class 4, I was a member of PFA. What is PFA?
I don't know.
People for Animals. So I used to volunteer myself going and helping animals. Are you a member of any NGOs or any animal welfare associations? Are you all doing anything, voluntary service? So I was in class 4.
Actually, no, I'm not doing it because
Okay. So you can actually, if you really want to volunteer yourself, all that you have to do is write letters. I will teach you how to write letters. I will teach you how to become members, okay, in the forthcoming session. There's a beautiful story of, all of you seen tigers, isn't it? Yes or no? Have you all seen tigers? Have you seen tigers?
Yes.
I've seen it in pictures.
Okay, how does this tiger look like? Raj, how does this tiger look like? Colorful, colorless? How does this tiger look like?
Colorless and sad.
And sad. Okay, Dev, how does this tiger look like? Dev?
It look like pastime cereal.
Pardon? It looks like?
Means past में जो black and white cereal in past there is black and white serial na.
Ah.
It's like
Okay. Oh, okay. Long back we had serials and all in black and white. So I know that Jay watches too much of television. Okay, Arjun, according to you.
no.
Okay.
Ma'am, according to me, it is like a cartoon tiger,
Cartoon tiger. Okay. Okay. See,
like a
children, I
soft
can,
toy.
1 minute, Arjun. I can see that privately you all are chatting, which is not advisable here. I've told you very clearly in my instructions. Anytime when somebody is speaking, we are supposed to listen to them. That's a mark of respect.
Yes, ma'am.
If I want, even I can chat privately with Swasti now. Can I do that? Or I can chat with DA now. No chatting privately with anybody. Clear with that?
Yes, ma'am.
We are in a session now. We are here to learn something. Clear?
Ma'am, when nobody is speaking, only then I chat.
No. Now everybody is speaking. So let's look into why this tiger is called as a colorless tiger. Okay. Now we go to Dhyan. Dhyan, you need to read few lines, then we'll give turns. So quick attention, all of you. Start. Dhyan.
Once upon a time, there was a colorless tiger. All his shades were grayish, black, and white. So much so that he seemed like something out of an old black and white movie. His lack of color had made him so famous that the world's greatest painters had come to his zoo to try to put some color on him. None of them succeed, as the colors would always just drip down off his skin.
Okay. Would somebody,
Then along-
okay. Then thank you. Dhyan, thank you. Would somebody like to brief it or should I do it? Would somebody like to brief it? What does it say? What does these lines say?
Want to read so.
Arjun, what do these lines say? Arjun, quickly.
Ma'am, like that, there lived a colorless tiger.
Okay, they are first and foremost, they are actually describing about this tiger, isn't it? Description.
Yes.
I have a long hair, Swasti has a short hair,
Yes.
they has a trimmed hair. So they are describing about the tiger first, isn't it? Yeah, that's how you need to explain it. Okay, next. What does it say? Arjun.
Yes, ma'am. The world's greatest painter tried to put some color on him. None of them succeeded.
Why Swasti? Why did the greatest painter try to put color on him? Why? Swasti, why? Aaron, why?
Because
You need to be quick, Swasti. Yeah.
ma'am, because they didn't like, because painters usually don't like to see things that have no colors. They want everything colorful.
Okay. That is Swasti's point of view. Meron, what is it?
I think that the painters challenging themselves to put some color on the tiger.
Okay. Good. Okay, Braj, what's your point of view? Braj, why did the painter want to put color on it?
I think that they wanted to make records for records that they have painted a tiger.
Okay. Now, Arjun, start reading. Continue. Yes, we are on the same line. Yeah, quickly. Arjun, continue reading.
Ma'am, then along came Van Gogh, the crazy painter.
Okay.
He a range guy who traveled all about happily painting with his brush.
Hmm.
Well, it would be more accurate to say that he moved his brush about as if to paint, because he never put any paint on his brush, and neither did he use on canvas or paper.
Okay. So what are they saying, Dhyan? Next would be Braj. Okay. Yeah, Dhyan. What does these lines say? Dhyan, quickly. Dhyan, are you listening? Okay, Meron. Yeah, Dhyan, quick.
Means that guy means that
See, that's why I told you, you need to
Next
listen.
paint.
Okay. First read it quickly. I'll come back to you. Braj, what do they say? He was a strange guy who traveled all about, happily painting with his brush. He was a strange guy, happily painting with his brush. So he used to use his brush to paint around. Well, it would be more accurate to say that he moved his brush about as if to paint, because he never put any paint on his brush and neither did he use a canvas or paper. So they're saying he did not have any canvas, he did not have any paper. He did not even take the brush and put it on the tiger. Isn't it, Raj? So tell me the meaning of it, Raj.
It says that there was a man named
Yeah,
person
Bangkok.
who never who had a brush and traveled happily everywhere. But the strange thing was that he never used paint, neither the canvas or paper.
Very good, very good. Okay. So what did he do, Marin? What did he do, Marin?
Painted in the air. That's why everyone called him the Van Gogh.
Okay, okay. And he was called as a, he also had a name. What was it? Van Gogh had a, as what painter? He was called as kind of a painter.
Crazy painter.
Crazy painter. Very good. Crazy painter. Who told
Crazy
that?
painter.
Who told that? Who told first?
Then me.
Very good. Oh, very good. Okay. They, now you read. Now you continue, They, because you answered first. Yeah.
When entering the tiger's cage, he been whispered in the animal's ear.
He began whispering.
He began whispering in the animal's ear and moving his dry brush up and down the tiger's body.
Continue.
And to everyone's surprise, the tiger's skin started to take on color, and these were the most vivid colors. Vivid colors any tiger had ever had.
Hancock, continue.
Van Gogh spent a long time whispering to the animal and making slight adjustment to his painting. The results was truly beautiful.
Very
Everyone
good.
wanted to know.
Stop. Thank you, Dave. Can you tell me the meaning as well, Dave, quickly? When entered the tiger cage, yeah, who entered? Who entered, Mehran?
Van Gogh.
Hancock. Okay. What did he do? What did he do, Dave?
He painted.
He
whispered. He whispered
Where?
the tiger.
Where did he whisper?
In animal's cage. Tiger.
Animals?
Tiger's cage.
Animals?
Ear.
Where did he
He
whisper?
whispered animal's ear. Animal's ear.
Very good. He whispered in the. Good. Continue. And what did he do? He was whispering and doing something. What did he do? See my hand. Look at my hand there. What did he do?
He painted the dry brush.
Correct.
And whispering. So it make changes in.
Okay. Thank you, Dev. What kind of changes were they? Arjun, what kind of changes were they?
His color.
Okay, color. What happened to the colors, Vasti?
Started taking on colors, and those were the most vivid colors that a tiger had ever had.
What do you mean
Like bright
colors? What do you mean?
like beautiful kind of thing.
Very attractive, very beautiful colors, isn't it, Mehran? Okay. So what happened after that? After that, what happened, Mehran?
After that, Van Gogh spent a long time whispering to the animal and making slight adjustments.
Okay. We'll continue now. Dhyan, yeah. Dhyan, continue reading. I'm coming back to you, Dhyan. Dhyan, are you listening?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. And everyone wanted to know that how painters color.
Okay. everyone wanted to know what painters, read properly, Dhyan. Yes. Yeah. After this, we're going to go for a break, and after this, we're going to watch a video quickly about a tiger. Quick, you all have to be quick.
Can I read it?
Yeah. Yes, Swasti. Yeah. They, yeah. Can they read it? Yeah.
Everyone wanted to know what the painter's secret was. He explained to them that his brush was only good for painting real life,
Okay.
and that to do that he needed no colors.
To do that, he needed no colors. Okay. He had managed to paint. Yeah, color. Yeah, start
He
reading.
managed to paint the tiger using a phrase he kept whispering in its ears.
Swasti, wait.
In just a few
Wait,
days you will be free again. You shall
Swasti,
see.
can you hear me? I hope you can hear me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, the last line will be read by Dev. Yeah, Dev.
He had managed to paint the tiger using a phrase he kept whispering in its ear. In just a few days, you will be free again. You shall see.
Okay, very good. Now, what happened over there? Arjun, after this, we are going for a break. Quick break. Yeah.
Can I ask once more?
Read it once again. The text was there, and that's where he read it. Read it once again. Everyone wanted to know the painter's secret. Mehran. Yeah, we go back to Mehran. Meanwhile, Arjun, read it. I'm coming back to you. Yeah, Mehran.
Wanted to know how the painter put paint on the tiger when so many successful painters are not able to do it.
Exactly. So they were not able to do it. So how were they able to do it, Braj? How were they able to do it, Braj? How was the painter able to get those colors? What did he say? What was the magic there? Some magic happened there.
The tiger was so much unhappy, so it was colorless.
Yes.
And the phrase in just a few days you will be free again, you shall see, made it happy, and he became colorful.
Very good. So what is the conclusion we get here will be described by Swasti again. What is
Conclusion is that sadness
the
leaves you that you have no color.
Okay. Sadness leaves you no color. Arjun, to add on. Arjun?
Happiness.
1 second. That was really good. Okay, that first point. Arjun, your second point. Quickly.
Yes, ma'am. That he was very sad because of his colors.
Yeah. Color or colorless? He didn't have any.
Colorless.
He was colorless, yeah. But what made him get really happy and those colors?
Painter colored his body.
Painter colored his body? Did painter color his body, Braj? Did painter color his body, Braj? No. Mehran, what did he do? Painter, what did he do?
And whispering in his ear just the phrase he wanted to hear. In just again you shall see.
Very true. Dev, what did he whisper actually?
He whispered, in just a few days, you will be free again.
Very good. Okay. Dhyan, is that true? Dhyan, is that true?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So he's saying that in a very short while of time, you're going to be free. And that's the reason you're going to be really getting the freedom what you needed. And finally, the tiger got its children. The tiger got its
Color.
color. Very good. Okay. Now after a quick break, now the time is
it is 2:43 and 50 seconds.
okay. So after 5 minutes, we are coming back, which means we are back at 2:40. 2:49. We are all back. Okay, take a quick break. Come back. We'll watch a video. Go. Get up.
Yes, ma'am. Before few days, I had drawn these drawings.
Okay.
This is my first drawing, actually.
Oh, that's nice. Very good. Superb, superb. Okay. Okay, Arjun, that's really beautiful. But now I would want you to go and relax yourself and come back. I can see you a little bit, no, not feeling relaxed. It's because of the exams, I can understand. Oh, that's a pretty, pretty, very pretty. Okay, Arjun, take a quick break and come back. Yes.
Is it time yet? No.
Not yet.
Okay.
So we have 2 more minutes there. Now that most of you are back, except for those two boys, okay?
Jasper, can you please remove your virtual background and stop fiddling with this baby?
They?
Actually, because the way and there has to be no fiddling. Please concentrate what sir is saying. He can come to you at any point of time for answer.
What, ma'am?
Arish, you please also remove your virtual background and you have to be very natural.
Change your virtual background, children. That's what is the instructions there. Change your virtual background.
Ma'am, but this voice is coming from.
No, there is one more madam there. So they are telling you to change your virtual background. Okay? Keep it plain there. Fine? Yeah, that's fine. Change it, Dhyan and Day. Okay, quickly moving on to the video there. Yes. Watch this video and we'll come back to a story. Okay?
Ma'am, can you give me a link in chat so we can see in our computer or PC?
I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it after
lags.
this. I'll do this after it. Okay? Quickly. Yeah. Now silent watching. Can you all see?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Just remind us
Ma'am,
when we
it
get
is lagging.
Ma'am, it's breaking. Like it's stopping.
Yes.
That is very loud.
So the tiger is going to be let free now.
Let them into the wild so that he can survive.
Yeah, exactly. So can you just figure out what has happened? 1 second. Can you just tell me what has happened there? After this, what will happen to the tiger? Yes, Swasti, quickly. Yeah.
Ma'am, the tiger was imprisoned
Yeah.
along with 12 other tigers.
Yes, yes. So what will happen after this? You saw something happening to the tiger. They were trying to do something.
Yes, they were trying to put him in a kind of natural habitat. So that
Exactly.
slowly they could get him used to again the jungle, the forests,
Yes.
and let him free. Otherwise,
Ah,
living such a long life of imprisonment,
yes.
he would have died if he would have directly gone to the forest, fending for himself.
Hmm.
He would have died very easily.
Exactly.
So they first trained him so that after this training, you can go live in the forest again.
Yes, yes. So when
And
he
let him.
was left in the forest, you know what happened? You know what happened? Yes, when he was left in the forest, you know what happened? You know what happened? Myron, can you guess when he was left in the forest, what happened?
He would be able to survive.
He was struggling to survive because he didn't know how to, Arjun, he didn't know
How to survive in the forest?
okay, how to survive because he didn't know there's a word. He didn't know how to brudge. He didn't know
How to live in forest?
what do they do in the forest for
Hunt. How to hunt?
how to hunt. Exactly. They didn't know how to hunt. Very good. Very good. Okay, now moving on to the Black Beauty again. So I'll tell you in short what happens actually to the Black Beauty. It's a small colt. I will be sharing the link of this Black Beauty as well with all of you. I'll share the screen. Okay, just look into the screen. Meanwhile, I'll share in a brief description about this Black Beauty. It's a horse. Okay, and then I'll come back to you if something has to be added on. Okay, Swasti? Yeah, but now it's time to listen. So what happens to the small colt is, what's a colt? It's a baby of
It's a baby of a horse.
of an adult horse. Okay, it's called as a
Colt.
colt. Make a note of a colt. The word colt in your notebook.
I
COLT.
know the meaning of
Colt.
colt. I'll write it, but I know its meaning.
Okay, colt. Okay. So this baby horse was like wondering, okay, I'm a free bird now and no enjoying its life along with its master, thinking that it's going to be free and enjoying. Then finally, what happened? One day he started taking it to the meadows. So what's the meaning of meadow? From next week onwards, we'll be starting to use our dictionaries. Okay. This week all of us don't have, so I'm just giving out the meaning of a meadow. So meadow is a green area, a grassland. So meadow, MEADOW. Make a note of it. So the second word is meadow. Meadow is a greenery plain. Okay. Arjun, are you a left-hander, Arjun, or a right-hander?
I'm a left-hander.
Left-hander. Okay. Okay. Fine. So he was taken to the meadow, and next to the meadow there is a railway station. Okay. So what happens is the trains keep coming very fast with the rattling sound and all. So what's a rattling sound? What's a rattling sound? Can anybody?
Like the sound a rattlesnake makes. Like
That is a sound. Okay. Yeah, Arjun, you wanted to say something?
of a rattlesnake.
Of a rattlesnake. Okay, that's an example. I want, what kind of a sound is it? Arjun, can you guess?
Ma'am, it is a sound like boom, 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 like rattlesnake's tail. The sound rattlesnake's tail makes.
Okay, okay. Again, coming to an example, Meheran, how would you like to explain the meaning of rattle?
Ma'am, rattling is like the noise which happens when a metallic thing shakes.
Again, an example. Okay, I want a meaning. Brudge, rattle. Third word is rattle. So rattle, RATTLE. Rattle. Make a note of it. Third word, rattle. Okay, next week we're going to frame sentences, so be ready for that. Okay, rattle is an unsound, a sound which is not very comfortable to hear, a sound which is not comfortable to hear. Okay, yeah, so that is a rattling sound. The moment the horse got to know or hear about the rattling sound, the colt used to run away from the meadow, run away very far, and going and hiding itself near its mother. So that's what it was doing. Then later, slowly, when it started growing, the master started to tie the different kinds of parts to the horse's body to train it to gallop. So first and foremost, what is galloping? What is galloping?
Like the movement.
Movement. Very good. So that's a fast movement. So the master wanted to train the animal to gallop. So he started adding on the saddle. Then I will show you the different kinds of parts. Okay. I am sharing the screen with you. 1 minute. Then you will be able to see the different kinds of parts on the animal's body. Fine. Yeah. Can you see the children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the man wanted to actually put all these kinds of parts of the body onto the animal, and the animal was feeling very sad about it. And he was wondering, oh my God, I thought I'm going to be with my mother. I thought I'm going to be very free all around, moving all around and all. But later he got to know that he's going to be along with his master. Okay, then every time he used to take the animal and start fixing all the other parts where the animal was feeling very disheartened. Then he knew that he has to be very, very humble to his master. So what happened was he got himself adjusted in spite of being very sad. And they have a different kind of parts attached to the body. And I will tell you the different kinds of parts again. Okay, where these animals really feel that they are being into some other control, under somebody's control, and they don't have freedom at all. Finally, the animal understood that he has to be under the control of a master, and he doesn't have freedom. And his mother trained the unhappy colt, saying that you have to be abiding to the master's rule. So, what is your feedback about that, Vraj? Vraj, how do you feel the colt would have felt there? Vraj?
I feel that
Arjun, I'm coming to you next. Yeah, yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
I feel that court would have very unhappy there.
Unhappy there, exactly. The colt would have felt very unhappy there. Okay, what do you feel, Day? How would you feel if at all you were in that place as a colt?
Very bad.
Very bad. Okay, now
And
coming to Swasti. Swasti, how would you feel over there?
Ma'am, I would feel very bad. Ma'am, I just wanted to add a few more parts which I heard about.
I will tell you. I will tell you, Swasti. First, let me finish this particular explanation. That's why I was waiting for. Okay. See, children, I would
Feel
like
very
to.
bad. I would feel like, why should I listen to somebody else? My
Exactly.
body is in my control.
Yes.
I would throw that person off. You're like, you don't mess with me, bro. Bye.
See, can you see the different parts there? The muzzle, which is attached to the mouth, on the forehead. Then you can see the pole, the crest, the shoulders, the back lawn, flanks. So these are parts of the animal. And finally, to that part, they are attaching all this bit collar, which is actually inside the mouth of the animal. Then a rein to control the speed, a trace and a trug, and of course the horseshoe. Okay, then you have the girth is where the saddle is actually fixed. So we'll come to the meaning of certain words. Initially the animals are taught how to trot. So trot is your fifth meaning. Trot, T-R-O-T. Can they read it? They?
Trot, the pace of a horse that is faster than a walk.
Very good. Okay, Dhyan, gallop. Dhyan.
Yes, ma'am.
What is that? What is the meaning of gallop?
The fastest place of a horse.
Okay, saddle. What's the meaning of saddle? Quickly. Grudge.
A leather seat fastened on the back of a
Okay.
horse.
Okay. What is breeching? What is breeching? What is breeching, Swasti?
A strap usually made of leather that goes around a horse
Okay.
and is attached to a vehicle so that when the horse moves, the vehicle is pulled along.
So, children, have you seen the cart behind the horses? The carts behind the horses? Yes. And they become very tired. The carts means the Tonga walas. Have you seen the Tonga walas?
Yes.
Yeah, I will show you the picture in the next class. Weariness. Mehran, weariness.
I'm taking notes of this.
Weariness. Yeah, I'll give you 2 frame sentences. So make a note of all these things. Yeah, dear.
I am in another class. Now only.
Okay. I'm finishing in another 5 minutes. Okay. Weariness. Quickly, Mehran.
Ma'am, we extreme tiredness.
Okay, tiredness. Halter, Arjun. Halter.
Halter means like
A strap or rope. Yeah, read it.
yes, ma'am.
Arjun, read it.
Ma'am, halter means a strap or rope placed around the head of a horse.
Okay, coaxing. Dhyan, coaxing.
Means a gentle
Encouragement. Okay.
encouragement.
So every now and then his master used to, listen children, every now and then his master used to coax him to run fast, gallop fast. So initially it was only a trotting, a very slow pace. Okay. Have you all taken down the words?
No, I have taken a screenshot.
All of you have taken down a screenshot?
Yes, not again.
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'll share it once again. Next week we are going to frame sentences. Clear with that? Today I can see Arjun is quite exhausted. Like we were talking about the horse. Arjun, you are little exhausted. Is it because of the exam?
Nothing like that.
Okay, but something is running in your mind behind. I think after everybody leaves, I would like to talk to you. Raj, you are looking little off. Maybe this is your
Ma'am,
first
can you
class.
share screen?
I'm going to do it. Okay, I'm going to share the screen once again for all of you. But all of you should take it down. Make it a point. You frame sentences and bring it for the next class. Clear with the children? Yeah, quickly take a screenshot if required. So the first word, all of us together, we read it. What's the first word?
Colt.
Colt, not colt.
Yes,
Colt.
colt.
Colt. Like Coke. Colt.
Yes.
Repeat that.
Colt.
Then second word, trot.
Not.
Yeah. Third word, gallop. All of you together. I want all of you. Gallop.
Yes.
The faster pace of horse.
Yeah. Then saddle.
A leather set fastened on the back of the horse.
I want you to only repeat the words. Saddle. Repeat the word.
Saddle.
Saddle.
Reaching.
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 Weariness.
Weariness.
Halter.
Halter.
Coaxing.
Coaxing.
Yeah, exactly. Now, I'll tell you a quick assignment. The first assignment is to frame sentences. Are you listening?
Yes.
Okay. Stretch your hands. All of you stretch your hands. Stretch your hands like a bird. Start flapping like a bird. Start flapping like a bird. Quickly. Let's see, I cannot see you flap like a bird. Yeah. Yes. Yes, quickly. Okay. Above. Clap. Above. Straight above. 1, 2, 3. Okay, come down. Eyes on me. Quickly. First assignment is to frame sentences. Okay? Okay. Second assignment, you're going to ask your grandparents. How many of you have grandparents? Raise your hands. Okay. So all of you have. So few sentences from your grandparents about, make a note of the question. Next week we're going to come back and then start framing many more questions. Okay, make a note of the question quickly. Yeah, how did you enjoy freedom? How did you enjoy freedom in your days? Only this much. Okay, how did you enjoy freedom in your days? So what's your first assignment, children?
Sentences making out of these words.
Yeah, very good, Swasti. Raj, what's your first assignment, Raj?
Making sentences out of
Using these words. And by when are you supposed to submit this? Submission date, take it down. On 10th. On 10th. Sorry, on 8th you're supposed to submit it. Okay, sorry. Latest by 10th, and on 8th you're supposed to submit it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I'll tell you how to submit it. Clear with that? I'll tell you. You'll get communication. Clear? Yes, do you have my numbers? You don't have, isn't it? So you need to know how to submit it. So we'll convey it through your parents. Clear with that?
Yes,
First assignment, sentences. Second assignment.
Second assignment, question to your grandparents. How did you enjoy freedom in your days?
Okay, Raj, can you read out that question the second time?
Yes. How did you enjoy freedom in your days?
Okay, so what is it we learned about today in lesson? In today's lesson, what did we learn about?
We learned about the ways a horse is reined.
The ways the horse is trained. Not only about the horse, also about a story. What was the story about Arjun?
Colorless tiger. About freedom, ma'am.
For your turn. Arjun, what was the story?
I'm the colorless tiger.
A colorless tiger. So what did we learn out of it? They. What did we learn out of colorless tiger? Only when you are...
We want freedom.
We want freedom. Dhyan, when we have freedom, how do we feel?
Like very free. No
How do I
any.
feel? If I get freedom, I start crying, is it? How do I feel, Dhyan? If I'm free, how do I feel?
Happy.
Happy. So when I get freedom, I feel
Happy.
happy. So all of you, your hands. When I get freedom,
Happy.
happy. All of you together. When I get freedom,
Happy.
happy. Your hands. They so busy. So busy. They, your hands. They. When I get freedom,
Happy.
yeah. Hurrah. Hip hip. Hooray. Hip hip. Okay. Okay, so today it was all about freedom of animals, also freedom about ourselves. Isn't it? Yes or no, children?
Yes.
Yes. So we learned about the colorless tiger. We watched a video where a tiger was inside a cage, and after he is left free, how does he feel? First, how does he feel? Raj, how does he feel? How does the tiger feel? He's comfortable?
He felt colorful in life.
He lived a very colorful life. But in the beginning, Mehran, where's Mehran? I think he's left. He said he had a class. Okay. So all of
Can
you,
I leave?
yeah, we leave. That's it. 1 more minute to go. So we're done with the class. Enjoy. So how was the class today?
Nice.
And it was very fun.
Oh,
Wonderful.
wonderful. Okay. Dear, how was your class?
Wonderful.
Pardon?
Wonderful.
Wonderful. Okay. Raj, how was the class? First class.
Fantastic.
Fantastic. Thank you. Arjun, how was the class?
Ma'am, awesome.
Awesome. Okay. So hip hip.
Hooray!
Finally, we need to get freedom. Okay. Bye. Bye to all of you. Submission
Bye,
of your assignments 1 and 2.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. 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 See you. Bye.